This is the Siberian Fresh. I can literally drink this thing right now. Hi everyone, this is my second attempt to collect the birch sap. I came here again in the same forest after a week. The snow became a little less, but there is still a lot of it. I hope this time I will get to the place without any special adventures. To get to these birch trees, it's not exactly a walk in the park. First, I had to drive for an hour and a half, leaving the city far behind. Then the real journey begins. I park the car and head deep into the forest on foot. It's about a 30-minute walk through the Siberian woods. The ground is still snowy, the air is fresh, and there's no one around for miles. Just me, the trees, and the hope that this time the sap is finally running. Don't forget, this is still April in Siberian forest. Do you remember? This thing had a big white hat here on the top of it, and now it's gone. There is no hat anymore. Okay, we're almost there. I found my trail that I used to walk the last time. This is the road and this is my trail. Let's go there. I already see a birch trees just 100 meters away. Wow. There's so much snow, but I think it is easier to walk here this time. This is my footsteps. In the previous video I checked that tree first. Let's go there again. I think this tree has a birch sap, but I will not use it because I think it's too old. Let's get the new ones. We are going right there. I almost see the full 1.5 liter bottle with some liquid. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's rainwater or birch sap. Let's check it. Look guys, what I found. What animals did this thing? How do you think? And right here. Is it Bambi or what? So we got to this tree. I want to make 2 holes here and here and collect the birch sap in 1 bottle. Not that. This is a dirty one. I take this plastic to my home. I don't want to leave it here. So let's check what I have in my bag right here. The first bottle with the hole inside in the cap. The second bottle, a regular drill. This pipe to collect sap. A lot of cocktail straws and this thing. Okay. Wow. And this to grab a bottle. Let's do the first hole. We will do it right here. Do you see this? It's flowing. Look at this. It flows. This is the Siberian Fresh. I can literally drink this thing right now. I wanted to say that there was a lot of sawdust in the pipe from drilling, and it was very unpleasant. And now we are going to another tree, right there. So now we are leaving it and go home. And 3 or 4 hours later, we will come back here again. For 25 years, every single year, I came here in that place of the forest to collect the birch sap. And only this part of the forest has a lot of birch trees. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. A lot of birch trees. And here, it's like a magic place for the birch sap collecting. Look, 10 minutes, and here we go. We have 50 milligrams of the birch sap. And the first bottle flows slower. Before we go home, we have to take this garbage with us. Three hours later, I'm going to the forest again for the birch sap. I can't wait any longer because I have to go home to the city. I feel a little bit colder than 3 hours before. Who is this? Is it deer or what? We're almost there. The same old birch tree. And here we go. The first bottle is only half full. You can see this line. Let's take it down. It's so sweet. I love this.
You can't just leave the tree bleeding. I push a small dry twig into the hole. As it soaks up moisture, it swells and plugs the wound tight. Then I seal it with the garden wax, like a bandage. No infections, and the tree heals clean.
The second bottle is way more interesting. Look at this! 3 hours, and it's full. Almost full. This one is sweeter than that.
But for me, collecting birch sap was never really about the sap. It's just a reason to be in the forest. I love it here, I always have. The smell of pines, the light coming through the branches, the sound of nothing but the wind and birds. You don't get that in the city, and sadly, city life keeps me pretty trapped. Work, routine, responsibilities, it all eats up your time. I don't come out here nearly as often as I want to. So when I do, even for something as simple as tapping a tree, I try to soak in every minute. The sap is nice, but the forest is what I really came for.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and thumb up. See you the next time in the next video.